Okay, we have arrived. Day 1 camping at Cyprus Lake.
Yes, it's a great campsite.
Yeah.
That was expensive.
ちょっと高い but you know 自然そんなもんだよ。This is pretty cool. I've never camped with one of these, so I'm pretty excited about it.
So many flies here
Yeah.
in Ontario.
Mayflies. Lots of mayflies.
You need these.
Because it's May. Think we should bring the picnic table right inside here?
Yeah.
Think so.
Can we move?
Move?
Can we move the picnic table here, or we should
Hi,
bring
we can.
this? Can we? Okay.
Maybe.
That would be great.
ちょっと重い but we can.
Shall we?
はい。
Let's do it.
Cookies. このテーブルは少し綺麗くないね。
汚い。
汚い。Nice.
Alright.
Yeah? Should we go for a swim? 歩いた後で。これは何ですか、マリコさん。
それつくし。Oh, did you see? いくよ。
それは何？
You take like this and put with the bio cover soda, then fry it with soy sauce.
美味しそう。
気持ちいいな。
Where are we going?
We are going to grotto.
Nice.
That's how you say?
Yeah.
Grotto. Okay. Almost there. Wow. It's beautiful. Oh my god. Last time I was here, it was cloudy, kind of raining.
足元気をつけてね。うわ、めっちゃ滑りやすい。足はめっちゃ痛い。
足痛い。
Painfully cold. I was thinking about getting in there, but that's like dangerously cold. It'll give you a heart attack.
I know. Just.
Mm-hmm. Ita. Ita.
some water. Itadakimasu. Let's start from the best part.
This wood is wet. Pay $18 for wet, shitty wood.
18?
I'm assuming.
Oh. Ah!から水汲みに行きます。今夜の9時ぐらい。隣のサイトは高校生ばっかり。マッケンジーはギターを弾いてちょっと騒がしいので、あっちでもパーティーやってますね。And then you're going to perform that.
Ideally, you want to be in the coals. You don't want flame, but you know, it is what it is. It's still gonna be fucking delicious.
見して。
It's not very pretty, but
Midnight Munchies.
some of this stuff.
Chipotle.
Kahlua, hot sauce, and bold and spicy Dijon mustard. That's all you need.